This is what the Zuma plug looks like just before you put it in. You need a foot long. I don't know how many meters that is, a third of a meter. I don't know anything about metric. It's all Canadian to me. Anyway, I have a foot long 3/8 inch on a, I think it's 9/16, 15/16. I can't remember. It says it on there. Let's see what it is. It's 5/8. There we go. And this probably won't. Hopefully, it will stay right there. So it's 5/8 spark plug socket. It's just to show you how to do it right. We're using the Permatex copper anti-seize. I've used every one of them in the book. This is the best for this. Remember that you're running steel, hard steel, on the spark plug threads into soft aluminum. And at one point you're going to have to take this back out to replace it, check it, or whatever. So you want to put things back in, your screws, your bolts, everything, where it makes it easier to take them on and off. You don't break something. Because let me tell you, okay? I'll give you an example. This is a 2013 Zuma 50. Now over here, we've got the real big bike. Over here, that's $400 right there for the deal. But over here, this right here, if I can get this up, damn it, come on, come on, come on, come on. Damn it. The plastics on the CBR, all the plastics around the outside of it, which they're in perfect shape, they're all almost $5,000 if you happen to roll this bike over. So you don't want to do that. With these bikes, when you go to order, you're getting a lot of these parts are extremely expensive. You used to be able to go on eBay when eBay was a just an auction company, and they'd have somebody parting this out. That seat right there is $200. Let's say 200 new. Somebody has an old one from a little crash bike, nothing wrong with it. They sell it to you for 10 bucks. And for 10 bucks, you get yourself a new seat. Like that one. Or other parts I have over here. But you can't do that anymore, because all the sellers have gotten smart. They've gone to the junkyards, they've picked up these parts, and then what they do is they get a Mitchell book, which is used by Autobody to show how long it takes to change something, like a fender, half an hour, headlight, half an hour, 10 minutes to change the mirror, and they get a price on all these things, and they'll charge you half price. Well, in the old days, you could on the auction sites, you could get all kinds of really cool parts for cheap. Not anymore. And if you have to go to Japan or Taiwan or wherever they sell these things, it's very expensive, even if they still make them. Because with bikes nowadays, I believe that the running thing is they have to supply parts, say like for this Zuma for 20 years. Okay? Now you go over here to this gyro, which was done in 1985, which is another one of my babies. You can see it says gyro on it, gyro S. It's all been redone and everything. The only thing you can get on that bike, on this bike, is you might be able to get a screw or two. You can't even get the decals. Okay, like a screw right there. Right there. And of course you go on eBay or one of these places and they think they're selling you a Ferrari. So anyway, that's into that rant. I'm going to get my flashlight and very slowly put this in. You want to go very slow. And one good way of putting in these spark plugs is to put them in counterclockwise, very lightly, on the tip of the engine threads, and then do it on the right way, and it may catch. But whatever you do, don't force anything. Just go nice and slow. Take your time. If you can't do it, pull it out and wait. Go get a cup of coffee. Don't force anything. Okay, I'm going to do it.